This is Bulwer's pheasant, and he has got spectacular wattles. He's impressive enough when he's going about his normal business, but when she is around, he gets very excited indeed. Impressive though he is, she is very critical. He's not good enough, it seems. Another pheasant, Temminck's Tragopan. His costume jewellery is even more elaborate. And if you've got it, why not flaunt it? The male moon-owl pheasant impresses his female with a greater expanse of unbroken iridescence than is possessed by any other species. The Argus pheasant has the largest of all tail feathers, and wing feathers that are certainly as spectacular. And what can rival the train of a peacock? The costume put on specially for courtship dances by the African widow bird may not be quite as extravagant and unwieldy as those of the pheasants, but the widow bird displays by flying with his. It's a hazardous business, exposing yourself like this, even if you can fly. You're making yourself an easy target for a hawk, and there are many around on these grasslands in Kenya. Evidently, the additional matings a male gets from displaying in this dangerous fashion make the risk worthwhile.